Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, level, gear, and access. Once ready, head straight to the docks node and fast travel there to save time. Make sure you have repair kits and a small party because shard drop rates improve with group activity. You should also enable loot notifications and equip a luck-boosting trinket before engaging. After that, pick an initial patrol route along the piers and clear low-risk mobs to warm up. This sets you up to trigger the shard spawn mechanics reliably. Now you focus on the middle steps to actually trigger shard spawns. You clear crates, boats, and warehouses in the specified sequence so spawn conditions accumulate predictably. Once done, use area damage and crowd control to prevent stray mobs from delaying resets, and make sure to nuke identified spawn nodes at their window. If you coordinate pauses between waves, you maintain optimal timers. Also, check the spawn timer UI frequently because these windows tend to last about 40. Finally, collect shards efficiently. Pick them up immediately because they can despawn in roughly 30 seconds. Once done, bank or stash shards to avoid losing inventory space. If you fail to see spawns, exit the docks area and re-enter to force a reset. This usually clears stuck timers. Make sure to try solo runs if group scaling prevents spawns, and report persistent problems via in-game bug report. One key troubleshooting tip. If nothing spawns repeatedly, change your route and test during off-peak hours to avoid population interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.